Russians are fleeing from the Crimea. Pictures of destroyed aircraft in Crimea. Push the like and subscribe, like Ukrainian soldiers push the trigger. Satellite photos appeared showing the destruction and destroyed Russian equipment on the territory of the airfield near the city of Saka. We will recall that on August 9, 2022, explosions occurred in the area of the military airfield near the city of Sake in the Crimea captured by the Russian Federation. It was from this airbase that enemy planes flew to bomb the Zaporizhia, Mykolaiv and Kherson regions. It is known that 9 enemy aircraft were destroyed and the airfield was disabled. The Ministry of Defense of Russia claimed that the explosions occurred due to the detonation of ammunition. Injuries and 1 death were reported. In fact, the situation turned out to be much worse than they said in the Russian Federation. Satellite images show how many Russian aircraft were destroyed at the airfield. Destroyed, damaged, 8 Su-27 aircraft, 4 Su-30M aircraft, 5 Su-24 aircraft, 6 Mi-8 helicopters, 1 Il-20RT aircraft, 4 units ammunition depots were destroyed, several buildings were damaged. Let us remind you that Russia carries out frequent attacks on the territory of Ukraine precisely thanks to aviation, using strategic bombers. Also, strikes on Crimea give an understanding that Russian air defense is powerless against Ukrainian strikes, which lead to the destruction of not only equipment, but also the morale of the Russian military. It is already known that Russian soldiers who lived in Crimea are taking their families to the territory of Russia, as evidenced by numerous video materials and traffic jams on Crimean roads.